And that button doesn't work on this one anymore.
Watch this engine roar! Watch this engine roar! Watch this engine roar! I'm taking it back to the old. Watch this engine roar!
I had a lot of problems with that one, with the RAM. Really just need to get another one.